What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel, your spot for everything Apple, leaks, and the future of tech. October 2025 is shaping up to be Apple's most insane event yet. We got 5 MacBook Pros, AirPods Pro 3, a surprise iPad refresh, and even a teaser for Vision Pro 2. It's real, it's happening, and today, I'm breaking down all the leaks, rumors, and expectations you need to know before Tim Cook takes the stage. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive straight into it. M5 MacBook Pro, M5 Pro, and M5 Max chips built on TSMC's 3nm Plus node with chiplets SoIC design up to 42-core GPU, 64-core neural engine, unified memory up to 128 gigabytes. Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 20+ hours of battery with AI workflows, no redesign, still the 2021 chassis, but better thermals and more ports. This thing is going to eat workflows for breakfast, 8K video edits, local LLMs, you name it. And no, you won't need an external GPU. This MacBook is your entire studio in one machine. AirPods Pro 3. Next up, AirPods Pro 3. Yes, Apple is going AI first here too. Redesigned H3 chip on device Siri 2.0 powered by Apple Intelligence Adaptive Audio with real-time environment mapping, improved battery life, new spatial audio profiles, and rumored hearing assist features. This isn't just an audio upgrade, it's personalized audio intelligence. Think live language translation, real-time audio transcription, and even biometric health scanning. iPadOS M2 refresh surprise, leak alert. Multiple sources say Apple might drop an iPad Air refresh with the M2 chip, new colors, and better display calibration. This isn't a game changer, but it's Apple keeping the iPad Air lineup fresh, perfect for students, casual users, or anyone wanting a thin, powerful tablet without going full iPad Pro. Vision Pro 2, now here's where things get spicy. Vision Pro 2 might get a teaser. Lighter design, bigger field of view. Better battery integration, rumored support for native AI apps via Apple Intelligence. Apple knows the first. Vision Pro was just the beginning. Expect a sneak peek or a hint, maybe even a spring 2026 launch window reveal. macOS Sequoia and Apple Intelligence macOS Sequoia will go gold master at this event, officially rolling out alongside Apple Intelligence. Native LLMs, local app summarization. AI-powered Spotlight, Search, AI-assisted Final Cut, and Logic Pro features. Apple Intelligence will finally go from beta to prime time across macOS, iPadOS, and iOS 18.1. You'll be running stable AI tools directly on device. Final leaks and surprise, there's one more wild card. A new Apple Magic Keyboard with haptic feedback, or possibly a Magic Mouse 3 with Find My support. MacBook Pro M5. Pre-orders open October 25th, ships by November 1st. AirPods Pro 3. Available same day, macOS Sequoia and Apple Intelligence. October 28th, rollout Vision Pro 2 tease. Just a trailer, no release date yet. So that's everything leaked for Apple's massive October 2025 event. Which product are you most hyped for? The M5 Pro, AirPods Pro 3, or maybe that Vision Pro 2 tease? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm replying to as many as I can. Make sure to like this video if you're ready for Apple to blow our minds again. And subscribe because we'll be covering the launch event live with hands-on reviews, benchmarks, and comparisons right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next keynote or in the future.